Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Bhubaneswar. With their expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. 3D scanning is a technology that captures the physical shape and appearance of an object using lasers or structured light. It is widely used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, architecture, and healthcare for product design, reverse engineering, quality control, and visualization purposes. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art 3D scanning equipment to provide accurate and detailed scans of objects. They have a range of scanners that can handle objects of various sizes and complexities. Whether it is a small mechanical part or a large architectural structure, they have the capabilities to capture every intricate detail. Their scanners are capable of capturing millions of data points per second, ensuring precise representation of the object. One of the key advantages of availing 3D scanning services from Scon Design India Private Ltd is the speed and efficiency of the process. Traditional methods of object measurement and documentation can be time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with 3D scanning, the process is much faster and more accurate. The scan data can be quickly converted into a digital model that can be easily manipulated and analyzed. This saves time in the design and manufacturing process, allowing for faster prototyping and production. Another benefit of 3D scanning services is the ability to capture complex geometries and shapes with ease. Objects with intricate details or complex curves can be accurately captured using a 3D scanner. This enables designers and engineers to work with complex shapes that would otherwise be difficult to measure or replicate. The scan data can be used for reverse engineering purposes, where existing objects can be recreated or modified based on the captured data. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, 3D scanning services have emerged as a crucial tool for a wide range of industries. Bhubaneswar, a city known for its emerging technology sector, is witnessing a growing demand for top-notch scanning services. One prominent player in this field is Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Bhubaneswar. With their cutting-edge technology and skilled professionals, Scon Design India Private Limited is revolutionizing the way businesses operate in the region. 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd are highly sought after for their accuracy and precision. Whether it is for product development, reverse engineering, or quality control, their state-of-the-art scanners capture every intricate detail with utmost precision. By utilizing advanced technologies like laser scanning and photogrammetry, Scon Design India Private Limited ensures that their clients receive the most accurate and